Hola muchachos, what's up everyone? Welcome to A Drive of Europe. My name is Max and this we have behind me today, well, this is Apelvikens Camping and it is a seriously good place to be camping. You know, when the weather is great here at the west coast of Sweden, this is one of the places to be. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit of fact about this campsite. This has 500 pitches and it has some apartments, about 72 of them. Some are large, some are small. And they also have a couple of cottages where you can rent if you want. And they are kind of few, 10 of them. But this is a five-star campsite, so this has a lot to offer and a lot to live up to. You also have a big bar to set for yourself. And the short answer, is this campsite worth it? Yes, it is, no doubt about that. But let me tell you a little bit more about this campsite. So first and foremost, it is how you are greeted. And when you drive into this place, you go up to the reception and you do check in. Then you are greeted by a lot of nice people. They are friendly, they are eager to help, they have good service. So you just go in, no matter where you're from. In Sweden, we do talk a lot of English, so that's no problem to go up to the counter and say that, do you speak English? Yes, they do. Further on, you go into the campsite, you do pitch up your caravan, you do your tent, you park your car, and it is a lot of space they have to offer. You got a decent sized pitch, you got a good area, surface area to put your caravan or your motorhome. And you do have a hedge, which is really great. A lot of other campsite doesn't have a hedge, which means that people do tend to run in and go over and go through your pitch. But with the hedge here, that's a really good addition. That really does help. So you're a bit secluded, and that's a good thing. If you do end up at a campsite that doesn't have a hedge, well, you do have to accept that there is a bit running, but not here. So that's a big plus. Once you're settled in, this place has a lot to offer. It has a pool area, which is great. I can talk a little bit about that further on. But you do have a lot of children activities, such as a couple of playgrounds. This is a very child-friendly campsite, so that's a good thing if you are a family. Also, you have a couple of ice cream bars, you do have a mini golf course, and you do have a restaurant, which is, once you go in and enter, you just feel right at home. It is very cozy, very friendly. Just take a look at that view over the counter. It does say something that it is quite a high standard.
I can see the sign of a brighter future. I believe that I
have explored all that is to offer, and it is quite a lot. Not just at the campsite, but the campsite is very near to a lot of other things, such as a beach. It is, it is beautiful, and just take a look at that view. You also don't have more than 2 kilometers into the city center, and that's you can loan a bike from the campsite and just take the bike right into the city center, and you do have a lot. It is quite a small town, but it do offer a lot as well. If you don't do that, you might have a car and you might take it to one of the biggest, baddest, meanest malls there is. I do think, I'm not quite sure, so you have to correct me in the comment section below if I am wrong, but Ullared is very close to this campsite. Well, it isn't more than 20-30 minutes just east of here. There is so much more that I could tell you about this campsite, but I truly have no time to do it because that would keep you here for an hour, and well, I can't do that long of a review, but just some of the things that you can rent, like a hot tub that in the pool area. You can go to the beach and you can like windsurfing, kite surfing, and it has so much to offer that you won't be disappointed if you go here. So that is for sure. But I do want to thank you all for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this review, and like always, I hope to see you in the next one.